It's important to refer to the traditional owners of the land just as a mark of respect. It's about acknowledging whose country you're on. And these are traditional customs, by the way, that go back, thousands of years. A lot of people think that these are new protocols. Not at all. They're old traditional protocols. All Aboriginal people everywhere acknowledge the different groups. So it's just a way of paying respect to the local people. And that's why it's important to refer to the traditional custodians of the land. But also it's a recognition of the ones who came before us, so our ancestors. And so because we hold high regard and respect for those ancestors, it's important to do that.
So in closing, Aunty Munya, we like to say?
In Ridicule Gorna, and take care of yourselves and each other, and big eso to you.